Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to use a basic tool in Excel, the sum function. Here we have our spreadsheet open and we are adding up the weekly manpower day by day. For example, Monday 12, then 66, then 67, 33, 78, 75, Sunday 66. After entering the daily manpower, select them all. To get the total for the week, we will use the auto sum button. Just click on it and Excel will add up the next number for you and show the total. Here we have the auto sum button. I'm going to click this button and I will get a total manpower 397 for the whole week. You can do this for the other activities and columns in your spreadsheet too. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.